Hi lovelies, let me quickly show you how to prepare the super delicious cake called apple cake. This is perfect for any occasion, for any party you want to make. Try this, you will love it. It is well loved here in Germany. We call it apple cake. I've just poured the 3 eggs I'll be using into a bowl. I'm going to mix it well until it becomes creamy. After that, I'm going to add sugar into it. And after the sugar, I'm going to add melted butter as well into the mixture. It is now time to add milk into it. If you'll be using powdered milk, you only need to dilute it with water. Alright, now mix it until it becomes super creamy. This is very important. This mixture has to be well mixed. You can see how it looks. It's now time to add flour into it. I'll be using all-purpose flour. I'll use this medium to say thank you so much to all you my followers. Thank you so much for your support for this channel. May God bless you all. So lovelies, I'm going to add baking powder into it. So it's now time to mix everything together. This needs only to be mixed just a bit together. You don't need to mix it that long. All right, we just have to make sure that everything is well combined, then it is okay. Have you liked the video? Have you shared it? If not, please kindly do so. So it's now time to add diced apples into it. I'm just going to combine them very well with a spatula in my hand. So lovelies, when it is well mixed, all I need to do now is to get it ready for baking. I haven't baked it, but the scent is given already. So that's the pan I'll be using. It is well creamed with butter. I'll be transferring the dough, the mixture now into the baking pan. The baking pan has been creamed with butter, so I need to heat my oven now. I'm going to place this in a preheated oven, 180 centigrade, and I'll bake it for 35 minutes to 40 minutes. Tra-la-la! Can you see what we have? It is super good. I'll allow it to cool down a little bit. Yes, you know, but my body, they do me shokoli. I gotta taste this, lovely, so I allow it to cool down a bit. So lovelies, check it out. Check it out. This is super aromatic. The scent here and the look alone says it all. Lovely. This is super moist, and you know what? It is super delicious. Make sure you try this and you will love it.